Steve, Lauren, this vaccine targets 3 different types of coronaviruses, including the strain behind the COVID-19 pandemic.
This is the cell type that we
It's never too early to start work on providing protection for future outbreaks.
we know from looking at history that coronavirus outbreaks occur about every 7 to 9 years.
Dr. Kevin Saunders is Associate Director of the Duke Human Vaccine Institute. His team created a trivalent vaccine targeting MERS coronavirus and 2 forms of SARS coronavirus.
What we're trying to do is predict what will be the next coronavirus. If it's a SARS-related virus, then we want to have antibodies that are able to recognize multiple SARS-related viruses. If it's a MERS-related virus, then we want to have antibodies that can recognize multiple MERS coronaviruses.
It's taken about 3 years to get to this point, and the work is far from finished. But initial results in mice are promising, and the overall development of a platform allows for future adaptability.
So the same technology that we can use to broaden the response against these 3 coronaviruses that we know are human pathogens, we can use that same technology to make it broader or to apply it to other coronaviruses. So if there's other viruses that come in the future, we use the same platform, the same technology, and then we can modify the vaccine to be effective against other pathogens that may come along.
That's important, as the form of a future coronavirus outbreak is unknown.
Where we are trying to develop a vaccine where you would be immunized with this vaccine and would have protection against multiple different coronaviruses, and that you wouldn't necessarily have to worry about the coronavirus that's coming in the future because you would have broad immunity against multiple different coronaviruses.
A vaccine using similar technology to this one is slated to undergo clinical trials next year, which could provide valuable insight into how this could work in humans. All of this research being conducted as North Carolina is reporting a decrease in the percent of emergency department visits for respiratory virus and COVID-like illness, as well as hospital admissions in the past week. Steve, Lauren, while those metrics remain relatively low, it's important to note that we have seen over the past few years upticks around the holidays when so many people are inside and traveling. We will keep you updated with those weekly metrics as they become available, of course, both on air and online at abc11.com. In Durham, I'm Michael Perchik, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.